Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 5 and 6 from exercise 5.2 chapter 5 lines and angles. First you read the question. Question number 5. In the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. If angle ABC is equal to 70 degree, then find the angle DGC and DEF. First of all, concentrate on this figure. Here AB is parallel to DE and BC is parallel to EF. Arms of the two angles are parallel. This angle, this line and this lines are parallel, and BC is parallel to EF. And also given angle ABC 70 degree. Angle ABC 70 degree. So you have to find the angle, which angle DGC. That means DGC, this angle you need to find first. For question number 1 and for question number 2, you need to find, you have to find DEF. DEF, this angle. So first angle is this one. So in angle D, if these two lines are parallel, then what is these angles are called? One is exterior and one is interior on the same side of the transversal. Yes, it is corresponding angle. And you know that if the lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. So you can say that it is given that angle ABC equal to 70 degree given. Therefore, angle DGC equal to 70 degree, corresponding angle and if the lines are parallel, you know that corresponding angles are always equal. Now next you have to find, if this angle is 70 degree now, then this angle is also corresponding angles as BC parallel EF as BC parallel EF. Therefore, angle DGC equal to DEF equal to 70 degree, because they are corresponding angle. Here, if this is 70 degree, so this is also 70 degree, as both are corresponding angle on the same side of the transversal, BC parallel EF. Here you can mention that AB parallel DG, it is also given as AB parallel DE DG, AB parallel DG. So these two angles are, if this parallel this, then these angles are corresponding angle, and again this parallel to this, then these two angles are corresponding angles, and we know that lines are parallel, so corresponding angles are equal and vice versa. Next question. Now in question number 6, in the given figure below, decide whether L is parallel to M or not. See these two lines L and M. Don't go with this diagram. The diagram may be not showing parallel lines, maybe showing parallel lines, but the reason you have to write. What is the reason? Are they parallel or not? These two angles are given. You know that these two angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal, which is known as consecutive interior angles, co-interior angles. If the co-interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So see, co-interior angles, value of the co-interior angles are given here. Given L is 126 degree, 126 degree and 44 degree. These are the in the place of co-interior consecutive interior angles. See, the result is it is 44 degree. The result is 0, 4, 6, 0, 5 to 7 and 1. As the sum of the consecutive interior angles are not 180 degree, is not 180 degree. Consecutive interior angles is not 180 degree, that is supplementary. So L is not parallel to M. And we know that if the pointer angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So in this case, lines are not parallel. Next question. Question number 2. See that figure. L and M are given in this way. Don't go with this figure. Just see the logic we have to apply here, so that the lines are parallel or not. You have to decide. Now see, this angle is 75 degree and this angle is also 75 degree. You have to find that the line L and M are parallel or not. So can we mark one angle here so that which is the vertically opposite angle here? Before writing it is a vertically opposite angle, just mark 1. You mark the angle 1 here, then you will write angle 1 is equal to 75 degree reason, vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 is equal to 75 degree. You can see that they are vertically opposite angles to each other. Now, this condition of these two angles, the condition of these two angles, they are in the position of this interior angles on the same side of the transversal, which is known as co-interior angles, consecutive interior angles. Now, this is also 75 degree as it is vertically opposite angle, and if you add these two, do you think that it will be supplementary? Let's try. And now angle 1 plus 75 degree, this 75 degree equal to 75, angle 1, value of angle 1 is 75 degree now, plus 75 degree, that is 150 degree. 150 degree. It is not supplementary. So as angle 1, as co-interior, better you write, as co-interior angles are not supplementary, co-interior angles are not supplementary, so L is not parallel to M. I hope whatever we have explained here today you all understood. Practice it, students. Thank you, students.